Good morning, manifesting mamas. This is Monica Bravo, and I'm trying to check if this is working in our group today. There we go. I'm going to tag Miss Heather. So I want to tell you a little story. I met Heather Hansen not too long ago, and she's such a sweetie pie and has amazing energy, has amazing drive, and is just super duper positive. And I know for a fact, since we've actually done a retreat together, is that her number one strength is positivity. And I just want to say thank you to her, because really all of us mamas together is what builds an amazing manifesting mamas tribe. And I want you to take the next week right up to Mother's Day. I want you to take time to focus on yourself and really take time to feel gratitude. Not only gratitude for everybody and everything you have, but really taking gratitude for yourself and for your body. And I'm really taking that time to feel grateful for just the little things that maybe I was telling myself I didn't love about myself, right? So there's things that maybe we connect with in a cellular level that we don't 100% love about ourselves. And I want you to even think about that this week, is how can you be grateful for all the little things in your body? Maybe you have to start with 3 of the things you really like I like my dimples, my hair's kind of funky, and I love that. And I love that my body that can run and hike and do yoga and open and unwind. So Heather's going to get on later as well and talk about our challenge, but I want to make sure you've downloaded this. She has a prettier version because it's in color. But I know that we all have these emotional wounds, and they're very deep. And a lot of you want to feel better, not only physically, but mentally and emotionally. But it starts really in our emotions, in our gut, in our cells. So we need to start honoring ourselves. There's some tools I use. And I actually was just doing a Facebook Live and on my regular page. But this harmony, this is doTERRA made this harmony collection, and it's for moms, especially just for Mother's Day, and it is beautiful. It really teaches you to connect. One of my favorite self-care tools is actually using essential oils. This is, I just want to show you, I'm getting off topic, but that's normal for me. I go with the flow. So it has green mandarin, star anise, and black pink pepper. And if you know, pepper is really good for addictions. That's addictions to substances, but addictions to negative emotions. So these are blends that you can make. This came with these little roller bottles, so you can make your own blend, your own intuitive blend. Now, the big thing about this week is really letting your intuition guide you, and just know that all the information is there for you, right? So have that inner knowing that you're here for a purpose. Right? You're here to meet manifesting mamas. And if you're on, say good morning, so I know. But you can make combinations of oils for yourself. We're actually going to do this in 2 weeks. We're going to be making our own blends so that we can thrive and really feel that harmony, that peace, that abundance. That somebody said this morning to me, they wanted power and they wanted abundance. And I said, powerfully abundant. Now, we all want to feel that way, right? So the first part of this challenge, if you sign up, you're going to get emails. If you don't get the emails, let me know. But you really want to make sure you're meditating, and you're meditating to reduce the stress. So not only the emotional stress, the physical stress, the mental stress, the stress in your gut, right? And then steering clear of those destructive habits. Now, some destructive habits for people is eating sugar. So reducing sugar, reducing your wine intake, your beer intake, reducing your negative self-talk, increasing. We're going to talk every day about increasing one item, but think about what you can reduce instead. And also become more aware, like what can you ask your body every day? I've been asking my body every day is, what do you want? Like, what do you want? When you ask your body, what do you want? It's never going to say, I want wine or beer or something like that, correct? So make sure you're asking yourself, what do you want? And then with that self-awareness in this PDF that you'll get is just breathing, learning how to breathe. Baron wants to say hi. Learning how to breathe naturally. Here, Baron. Come here. Really, whoa. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Breathing naturally, focusing on your breath for just for a few minutes. So make sure you sign up, and Heather will talk more later about these different techniques. Moving meditation, breathing meditation, mantra meditation, and just meditation to relax and open your mind. I currently get up and I know somebody asked, why do you brush your teeth? I just like my teeth clean before I meditate. So I get up, go potty, brush my teeth, and then I listen either to getting into the vortex meditation, which is my favorite, and I pick which one, maybe just for regular health, and then I do that for 15 minutes and I get on with my day. So I hope you're having a wonderful, lazy Sunday. I know that I am. And please ask me any questions you have. I hope that you take this challenge to increase your emotional health. And I hope that you can join us. And really, in this Manifesting Mamas Facebook group, it's all about you. It's all about you connecting with others, lifting each other up. And we're going to have a retreat. Me and Heather are having a mastermind. We actually need to sit and talk about that. But we'll be having a Manifesting Mamas retreat, right? Probably in the fall. So stay tuned for that. Join the 5-day gratitude challenge. It starts tomorrow. And we're going to be posting videos, and I actually created some YouTube videos so that you can follow. But really my intention is for you all to get into that positive flow. That's my number one intention. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful week. And I love you all so much. And I get to meet new people every day. Can't wait to meet some more of you over the next couple weeks. Send me a message if you want to connect. I am always around. I'm here. Now I live in Windsor. So, all right. See you tomorrow.